A liquid that can restore your floor to like-new conditions in minutes, no sanding needed. That's the promise behind Floor Revive. But does it actually work, or is it just marketing hype? So products like Floor Revive claim to restore shine and color instantly, fill in scratches and scuffs, and add a protective coating to floors. For example, similar products like Floor Revive say they can restore floors in minutes with one coat and work on wood, vinyl, and laminate. Here's the truth. Floor restorers do work, but only on surface level wear. They add a thin glossy coating, which makes floors look newer. Well-known products like Rejuvenate Wood Floor Restorer and Vyman Hardwood Floor Polish and Restorer are widely used for this purpose. So yes, the concept is legit, but there are important limitations. They don't repair deep scratches or damage. Results are often temporary and wear off over time, and cheap or viral versions may leave streaks, buildups, or even uneven shine. Some users report it can even make floors look worse if applied incorrectly. This is why professionals still recommend sanding for real restoration. So is Floor Revive real or fake? It's a real type of product that can improve appearance, but it's not a true floor repair solution. The bottom line, Floor Revive is basically a quick cosmetic fix, not a permanent restoration, and many viral versions are just rebranded versions of existing products. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.